Boop, boop, boop.
I was like, are you wearing a headlight in the middle of the day?
There's a guy that I climb with on Curry who does. He has a headlamp on his helmet. Doesn't matter what time of day it is.
Well, I've got a reputation for carrying my headlamp as basically like a safety tool.
I mean,
I get made fun of when I go on vacation with my family. And I
you're not wrong, is the thing. Because you never know when you're going to need a headlamp. And then you'll need it, and you don't have it, and they're hard to come by.
When you're on vacation, when you're in all these places where you don't know where the lights are, you know?
Yeah. You're just thinking ahead. Some funny looking rocks.
Isn't it cool?
Ooh. Don't slip. There's some good handholds though.
I was wondering about that actually.
And then all that chalk I just put on is all gone. This is really not so bad. I'm sure his lead climb is terrifying, but that's
Extremely helpful having Rita. Like I said, I would have been a lot less happy if I had to figure it out myself. I've tried it before, but I don't actually ever
that was so ugly right there. Oof. Starting to Elvis leg on me.
And you know with that, it's just a matter of how you, like, you're holding yourself with a little bit of tension. If you just kind of like drop your heel a little bit, usually stops.
But it makes you feel alive.
What about my hands and arms? They're
Go straight up and then traverse right?
Yes.
Okay. Hopefully not. But come on, that looks so awesome. It really did. Until you like start to slip back, then. Oh wow, that's a great handhold right there. All right. Won't lie, I'm a tad bit spooked at this part, but we'll figure it out. Where do you go now, hand? Oh, fuck me. Okay. Awesome jugs. I hate this, and I love it. Ooh. Would you take for a moment? Thank you. Ooh. Ah, that sucks. Come on, forearms. Okay. Nope. Huh. Nope. Well, where do you go from here? Yeah, this is where she heel hooked up, like right here.
Oh, that's right. I remember now.
I don't think I'm that badass yet, but you know, maybe one day. Not today. Okay. Uh-oh. Poor tactical maneuver on my part. Nope, I'm not that, not that good. Yeah. Maybe if I put my foot here and then pulled over and then grabbed on that guy, he chalks again. Okay, well, let's do this. Come on. Here we go. Nope. Okay. Oh, I hate you so much. Oh, come on. Stop it, Elvis.
I know.
Okay. Nope. That was a poor choice on my part. What'd you take? Sorry, thank you. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Ooh, fuck you, wall. Ta-da, no hands. All right. I'm held up by my foot and my hip. Okay. Okay, that wasn't bad at all right there. My forearms are screaming. Okay. Oh. Yeah, that was a good movement right there. Okay, I just gotta jump. Ooh. I'm disappointed at the lack of critters in here. All right. I have no idea where my hands go from here. That's what I'm thinking. Ooh. Oh. Fuck. Shit. Would you take? Thank you. I gotta let go for a second. I gotta get that rest in. Okay. Come on, leg, get in there. There we go. Okay. Oh, come on, forearms. Okie dokie, let's try this. Uno, dos, tres. God damn it. Come on. Come on. I'm definitely gonna slip here in like 2 seconds. Would you take? Sorry, thank you. I'm crazy, I always yell it. God damn, that was frustrating. Come on, hands, do your stuff. Okay, so I can't grab it straight, I gotta hook it somehow. Son of a bitch. Okay. Okay. Round 3. Oop, that's all bad footing. There we go. Fucking finally. Yeah, right? Well, I'm on this guy at a really funny angle right about now. I don't believe that my choice was a great one. Oh. Oh. Tickle, 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 got it. All right. Give me 1 second. Okay, ready when you are. Okay. All right. Oh, sorry. I do appreciate it.
Whoever's going next probably wants bear gloves because the rope is not like burning or anything like that, but just a little bit of.
I can belay next if somebody wants me to. And I've got gloves for belaying. Well, thank you very much, ma'am. I appreciate it.